Wagwan KK Squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I just got my new ring light delivered to me, Amazon. Like I explained earlier, I had to order a new one because the ring light that I'm using right now is not working so properly. Surprisingly, it's staying on right now and no problem. So I have the Neewer ring light, 18 inches. So I have this ring light for 2 years now, but I'm having a little issue with the bulb. Like when I turn it on, it won't stay on, or I have to keep playing with it for it to actually stay on. I mentioned in my last video, but I'm gonna show it again. So I tried to turn it on and see, it just like turn off, then it turn on, like stuff like that. So I have to keep playing with it. Sometimes it just turn off by itself without, you know. So instead of me going through all these issues and problem, knowing me, I can't take stress, I can't take problems. When stress and problem come about, I don't know how to handle it. So I just went ahead and bought a new ring light. I had some type of warranty thing on it, but I think it only lasted for a year, and it's 2 years to be exact. I bought this, and the bulb, I think the bulb is the reason why this is happening, where it's in and out. But when I check online, the bulb is $152 and I paid $95 for this Neewer ring light. So yeah, it did it 2 years, I guess. I wish it lasted longer, but what can I say? I just want to do my videos. I don't want to be dealing with that, trying to turn on the ring lights and all of this and it not stay on. I just can't. So this one is the Inkeltech LED ring light. Let me just go ahead and open it, see what it's like. Like I said, I purchased this from Amazon. So it has the same bag like the Neewer ring light bag. Okay, cool, it's similar. The Neewer ring light bag is more sturdy. This one, the only difference is this one has the handle right here. You could bring like this, and the Neewer ring light bag is just the two handle. I'm just doing a little comparison, you know. Let's see what's different. It's the same size. So this is the head part. This is where the bulb is. I like this packaging. I like how it's packaged. Oh, it has pocket inside. I actually like this. It's more flexible and it opens wider than the Neewer bag. So you can actually put more stuff in here. So, because with the Neewer bag, it's not flexible enough to open wide. But this is, so you could actually put more stuff in this right here. I like it. This is the adapter. By the way guys, I did an unboxing video when I just got my Neewer ring light. I'm gonna leave the link in the card so you guys can go watch that video. It was a very good unboxing video. I don't know why nobody's messing with it. It was a really, probably better than this one, to be honest. And this is the legs. I'm gonna call it the legs right now. That's it. Oh, I like how this is packaged. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see how this works. Ah, okay. It's the same as the Neewer legs. It's the same thing. Cool. Alright, let me see if I can extend what to extend. Wait, let me tighten them something here. Alright. Tighten it. Alright, let's put the the actual light on. I'm just getting right into it. Listen. Oh, and also the Neewer ring light, it came with, so you could get like a soft light, or like this part, it came with white and orange. So if you want like a softer light or a white light, but I never use them. I don't have none at all on the ring light. So these were the things I was talking about. It came with the orange and the white. You can adjust how tall you want it or short. Wait. This actually looks smaller. It is smaller. So how is that 18 inches and this 18 inches? I don't understand. Somebody's lying. But anyways, put that together. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, it came with like the phone adapter, the part to put your phone on up here, so that's nice. I didn't get that with the Neewer ring light. I had to buy one separately. So this is the Bluetooth remote shutter. I guess you can use this to like take your own pictures and stuff like that. And this is the part where you attach your camera. So this is the part I'm gonna need right now. Just insert inside the back like this square part. You just insert it in this square area right here like that, and tighten it. Listen, you want to make sure it's in good enough because I don't want it to fall out and the camera drop and break, because no, but it's, let me see if I saw the Neewer one did stay too. Can't afford that. Let me go check. So the Neewer one, it actually slides in more. I don't trust this. I'm scared. Why can't I have more space to slide in some more? You know what? Down in the video, when I screw the camera off this ring light, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, the difference. But let's see what else is inside here. Oh, it came with a remote. And also the booklets and stuff to read up to see how to work this thing. Let's attach what to attach and see if it's working. So I'm gonna attach this in between the two knobs and then plug it in. Also gonna try out the remote as well at the same time to see if everything working, you know, just test out everything at once. Oh, I see. Oh, you have to turn it on the back first before you can use the remote. Okay. All right, so turn it on. Ooh. Also, you could go snow or sun. Sun is like a yellow look. Which I don't like yellow look. And snow. This is actually really bright. Alright, let me turn it up. Is this the brightest? Alright, okay, I like this. And the fact that it has a remote and I don't have to keep doing the thing back here. Wait, let me see something. So this is the on and off. And the other one is, this is to change the color. Okay, alright, cool. I'm gonna stick to that one. Let me turn this ring light off. Yeah, I mean, can hold itself. It's bright. I'm actually gonna put the camera on this one to see how it looks. Okay, that light was hidden just now. Like, this is the Inkeltech ring light. I turned the other ring light off, so this is just by itself right now. And I'm listen, this lighting, I feel like I like this lighting more. Wait there. All right, let's do some test run now. So this is the snow, so let's do the sunlight. Let's see. Oh wow, the sun is hidden, baby. I like both actually. All right, the sun on my skin, I think I like the sun on my skin right now. What y'all think? Which one is better? I just have to play around and see what M1, M2, M3 is. Wait, let's see. Oh, to dim it. M1, M2. No, for M2, M3. I don't know what I just did. All right. Let me go read the instruction. Let me go read the booklet. I'm just pressing button at this point. This is a mix of both. Alright, the mix of both not bad. Both sunlight and sun white. Sunlight and snow white. The mix is not bad actually. So I'm gonna just go and read the instructions, see what's going on. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, let you guys know how this worked out for me without using the Neewer ring lights. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to turn that notification bell on. Like, share, comment your thoughts down below, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.